Feel your feet firmly rooted to the ground. Take a deep breath in through the nose and gently out through your mouth. Again in and out. Let your body settle into this moment. Now begin to walk at a natural pace, not rushed, not forced. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides or move gently with your stride. You're not walking to get anywhere. You are walking to be here. Bring attention to the soles of your feet. Feel the heel touch the ground. Then the ball of your foot. And finally the toes pushing off the earth beneath you. Notice the rhythm. Step, step, step. Shift your awareness to your surroundings. What do you see? Try not to label, just notice shapes, colours, movements. Allow your eyes to gently observe without needing to focus on anything in particular. Now tune into the sounds around you. Maybe you hear birdsong, the wind rustling leaves, distant traffic. Let the sounds come and go like waves washing to shore. No need to hold on to them, just listen. Bring awareness to the air on your skin. Is it warm? Is it cool? Still or breezy? Notice how your body moves through it effortlessly. Check in with your breath now. You don't need to change it, just observe. Air coming in and air going out. You might feel it at your nostrils or the rise and fall in your chest. If your mind drifts to thoughts, that's okay. Notice the thoughts and gently guide your attention back to your feet, your breath, your body walking through space. Let yourself arrive fully in the moment. Each step is an anchor, each breath a reminder. You are here. As you walk, try noticing one thing you haven't seen before, maybe a crack in the pavement, a new flower blooming, a cloud shape above you. Let curiosity guide your awareness. You're not trying to achieve anything. There is no destination. Just presence. Just now. As we draw the mindfulness part of this walk to a close, slow your pace. Take one final deep breath of gratitude in and slowly breathe out. Come to a gentle stop. Feel your feet once again grounded to the earth. Feel your body supported by this moment. Give yourself a quiet thank you for taking this time to be with yourself. Give a silent thank you for the privilege that it is to be able to walk in your community, in your environment. And when you're ready, continue with your day.